Copy-paste link that I sent.
Before clicking apply online,
Please read job description and check if you are qualified for that position.
you can also check working arrangement if it's temporary work from home or on-site. Benefits and other perks are also listed. If you're done, click apply online. If you already have username and password, you can now log in. If none, click apply as guest. Enter your email. You can use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or other email address, and then click continue. This time, you have to upload your resume. If you don't have resume, you can select no thanks and then click save and continue. You have to fill up application form. Source type must be referral, and then referral must be employee of Teletech. Enter your first name, middle name, and last name. Middle name is optional. Phone number is optional. Cellular number is required. Enter your house number, street, barangay, and city. Place of residence, so we have Philippines. State or province, so I'm from Calabarzon, Region 4A. I will choose Calabarzon 4A. Area, so I choose Antipolo City. Zip code 1870. Enter your SSS number if not available, 00. Were you referred by employee? So yes. If yes, please provide current employee's name.
Indicate your level of customer service experience. I'll choose 1 year or more. Your availability, so full-time.
Work in a call center, so yes or no. Indicate your level of technical experience and sales experience. Choose your preferred Teletech site, your education attainment.
Have you been employed at Teletech? Yes or no, and click save and continue. Are you at least 18 years of age? Yes or no? Yes.
Completed high school, yes or no. Can provide proof of identity, yes. Click save and continue.
Review your information, full name, contact number, and
If there's something wrong, you can edit.
please double check name of your referrer. Source type, referral, source employee of Teletech. Click submit. Application complete. You have to set up your account. Click create my username and password.
Set your username. Username and password must be letters and numbers. Confirm password or retype your password and click OK. Save your username and password.
Click my job page. And submission completed. Next is assessment.